Little Milo's over here looking out the window. We're headed over to see a launch today. If it goes off, it was supposed to go off yesterday, but it was delayed with all the rain we've been having here in Florida. And right now we're setting out here by Best Buy. Waiting for it to open. They don't want anybody to get in this place. They got the double doors to get through, and then inside there they got steel doors. Guy there, they got steel doors all the way across there. Isn't that something? Milo's trying to figure it out over here. I know, it is a little hot, isn't it, baby? Everybody's waiting. There's somebody in that car over there, somebody over there. We'll go inside here in just a second. It's supposed to open in about 2 minutes, Milo. I had a computer problem, and anyway, I had to bring it over here and try to get it fixed. You know how that is. You see somebody? Oh, he sees that person in that car that just pulled over. So we're right here at the Best Buy, waiting to go in. Well, we're about halfway over there. This was kind of interesting, so I thought I would pull off here. Milo down there, looking around. Got that air on you, Milo? This is over on 46, headed towards Titusville, Florida. And a Wednesday, about 10:30 in the morning. And I don't know if the launch is going to go off today because of these clouds. I'll film it when we get around there a little better, but I don't know. Hopefully it'll go off today. We'll see. But you can see them clouds. They don't look too good. You all right, boy? Yeah, we just pulled off here. Last time I was over here, there was a houseboat out here that had sunk. You can still see the top part of it, but I think that's where that boat marina thing is back there. Couple of guys bringing their boats out, I guess because of the storm coming. Florida's been getting a lot of bad weather here lately. You see them guys, boy? Yeah. What you gonna do? Go out there and tear them up, Milo? Gonna tear them up, boy? Okay. Wow, it's been a long time since I've been here too. There's some things that happened in the last few years that I really haven't felt like doing. A lot of different things. I'm pretty sure this is where that boat was, houseboat was sunk out here, I think. Unless this guy's trying to beat the storm. I guess everybody's trying to get out of the water because of the storm. Bridge up there. This is nice. They got a place where you could have a little picnic up in there. I wonder if they caught anything today. Let's see what these signs say. Overnight camping. Stop aquatic hitchhikers. Yeah, they have a problem with that stuff because it will transfer from one lake to another if you don't get it off your motor prop and stuff. You see that guy walking up there? He's a good little boy. He'll let me know when somebody's around. Look at the manatees. I don't know if Florida's the only one that has manatees. We'll have to go over there maybe one day to Blue Springs. They're pretty interesting. They're big and they're pretty interesting though. We went diving before and swam with them and stuff, which is pretty neat to do. There's nobody behind me yet, so we're good so far. But no, this isn't where that houseboat is. All right, let me get out of the way before it rains on these guys. This guy is trying to get back in. Hey, man. I don't blame him for wanting to get out of there before it starts pouring on him. Sometimes these Florida rains can be pretty bad. Oh, those two guys are gone. They probably come out early. If that's the best thing in Florida this time of the year. If you're going to do anything, come out early. Well, we're over here at C.S. Lee Park. That rain finally got here. And we're going to come down in here. It looks like a cop's car down there, but that rain finally got here. Probably wondering what the heck I'm doing. I don't know what you can see here because of the rain and stuff. Let's see if I can put the window down a little bit. This is where that houseboat was sunk out here. Fish Camp Bar and Grill. But that houseboat used to set right in there, right along that shore where that, I don't know what you can see. Right in there, I guess. Right there. It sat there for the longest time. They fixed this up out here a lot. Looks nice. That's kind of what it looks like through the rain. They got it all nice out in here anymore. Yeah, it's all nice out here. I don't know what those things are. Well, we better get on over there if they're gonna do the launch, I suppose. With all this rain, I don't know. We'll see. You looking out over there, baby? Okay. That sign said Titusville 5 miles. much this has changed. Chain of lakes, 1,000 feet. My dad had a motorcycle wreck over here one night, and they took him to the hospital up here. Up in here somewhere. It has changed a lot. It has changed a lot. It's grown up. It's probably been almost 20 years since I've been here. I think that's the top of the hospital right over there, I think. That's new. Yeah, that's the hospital. If you can see it. Eastern Florida. Oh, that's a college. I don't know. At least the rain's gone. Right there's the hospital. What is that noise? Medical Center, Parish Medical Center. I can't believe this year is half over already. Tomorrow's half over, July 1st. Another medical place. That motorcycle shop's still there. That was there years ago. Now, we used to be able to watch the rocket launches right over this. Oh my, they redid the bridge. Right over here. This is all so different. Old boat dock there, boat place, motorhomes. Yeah, this is all different. Even got high condos. There's not much traffic out here. I'm glad of that. I remember years ago when the shuttle would go off, there would be so much traffic and people all over the place. Bavard. East Orlando. We used to go over this bridge. Boy, this is all grown up. I can't believe this. It didn't used to have any of this stuff. None of these buildings like this. Isn't this something? Papa John's over there. Wow. Washington Avenue. What you see, Milo? He's still looking out the window. You want out? We'll probably pull over up here. You see those people over there? We'll probably, they used to have places where you could pull off up here. My, they put a new bridge in here. Wow. This is quite something. That's the Indian River right there we're going over. In Titusville, Florida. That goes out into the ocean. Isn't this something, this bridge? Huh. Well, it's been like 20 years since I've been over here. This is pretty nice. You should be able to see the VAB building. That's where they build the rockets and put them together. Yeah, it's right there. Right over there. I'll see if I can get a better place down here. We'll pull off and get a shot at it, a picture of it. But we used to be able to watch the rockets right from here years ago. I wonder how much this has changed down here. You used to be able to pull off here and go fishing and all kinds of stuff. I still see some people over there are doing that, but that's what they call the VAB building. Vehicle Assembly Building. That's where they put the rockets together. My dad worked there for years. My sister worked there for years. And now she's up in Washington. I wonder where the launch pad is here. We're not too far from the launch pads, but I don't see the rockets, you know. We've sat right in here and watched them take off. Sorry. We'll go on down here and see what we can see here. That's what they call the Indian River, though. See, I don't know how many launch pads they have out there. Do you have any idea where that rocket's going off here today?
Is it today? I know it was postponed yesterday.
I hope it's not. They moved it to the day.
Did they?
So yeah, 3. So I don't. I used to be able to watch them right here and stuff, but
Yeah.
I don't.
If you see the VAB,
Yeah.
just to the right of the VAB, like 1 inch. Like if you look 1 inch to the right of the VAB, you'll see 4 lightning towers.
Oh, okay.
White towers.
Yeah. Do you mind?
That's launch pad 40. That's the Air Force Base, and that's where it's coming from.
Oh, okay.
Normally, you can, from the top of the bridge, you can actually see the rocket on the launch tower when they use 39.
Really?
Yeah.
Do they probably won't let you be on the bridge. Like, do you have to walk?
Oh yeah, you can go up there.
Oh, really? I thought about that when I was going over it, but it was like...
Everybody does. They park here and they walk up there because you can see the rocket on the launch pad.
Yeah. As it takes, yeah.
I mean, you can see the whole thing. This is like the top of that bridge right there. I think is the best spot to watch.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I got some awesome pictures of shuttle launches, man. From like at the south side of the post office, there's a vacant lot.
Yeah.
And everybody used to pull into that lot and park. And that was directly across from 39A, and it was at the absolute best spot for a shuttle launch to get pictures. You know?
I appreciate it. I think, well, I checked online. They said something about down by the beach or something, but
they go down to
the Play Linda Beach or something down
Linda.
there.
That's another good spot because you got to really, you know, I mean, you're like front row there.
Really?
But you got to go way the hell out there onto the beach, you know, and you got to pay the $10 or $20, whatever it is, to get onto the beach.
Is that what it is?
So yeah, a lot of people do go down there. You'll see those videos on YouTube of people standing on the beach watching the launch, you know.
That would be really cool.
Yeah. They never let you down there when the shuttle's launched, but with these little rockets, they let you down there. Because when you go down, actually, you pass right by the launch pad. You know, there's marshes.
Oh, you do?
The road goes, there's marshes, and then there's 39B.
Yeah.
And then 39A is next to it.
Wow.
So
Did you used to work out there?
Super close to the launch pads, but...
Did you used to work out there? Cause you...
I lived here for 20 years. You know, and I got pictures of on that road out to Play Linda when the shuttle was on 39B. I got pictures of the shuttle so close because when you zoom, you can you know, see the seams on the rocket. You know? I mean, that's how close you are.
It's a shame that you have to pay to go down there, you know.
Did you Google to see when the launch was, or?
I did last night. I checked it last night. They said today, but I don't know. Yeah, I just went through a bunch of rain coming over here, and I don't know.
Usually it's like top on the local news, but
yeah, it's the same time as yesterday, 3:59 or just before 3.
Yeah, it says Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Today, 2:56. But
yeah.
Anywhere in this area, you got a really good view.
Oh, that'd be cool.
You know, I mean,
it saved the $10 and stuff. Yeah. I thought about it. We used to watch them through here, but I wonder if
people will start showing up like at noon. You'll see.
Oh, coming in here and stuff. Huh. Maybe I ought to pick a spot right here somewhere. You set up on that bridge is good though.
Right back there, where in the grass, where there's a little opening right there, man.
Yeah. Okay.
That's like, you know.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. It's been so long since I've been here that I don't even know anymore. I know you used to see him over there, but
yeah. Anywhere through here is a good
okay.
view, you know. I mean.
Yes, sir.
You can't miss it.
Thank you, sir.
But it just depends how much of it you want to see. You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
But if you want to get some good pictures, definitely walk up that bridge, man. You'll see the You'll see the launch tower.
Like the outline of it and stuff.
On it, so.
That might be an idea. All right. Well, I appreciate it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. You have a real good day. See if we can get turned around here, boy. Thank you. Well, I think we found our spot, Milo boy. The guy said you can see him from here pretty good. So we'll see what we can do here. I have to apologize for the wind. It's pretty windy here today. Probably pretty much every day. The way it's all open here. You can see the rain over there. You can see the rain coming. That little island out there. That little island out there in the middle of all this. See the condos over there and all the different things. What's on that little island? I went to a little island like that one time and realized later that I should have never went on that island because it was known for alligators. But that was when I was kind of young, you know. There's a dolphin out here. There it is. There he is. I wonder where he went. Did you see him, Milo? See, it goes into the ocean. All this goes into the ocean, and so could be anything up in here. It's awful windy outside. I'm in the car. Oh, there he is. I wonder what they eat up. Well, I guess there's fish. There's some people back there fishing. It's awful windy out there. Right there's the VAB building. I moved a little bit to try to see if I could get get a little bit closer. This should be pretty good right here, I would think. He's out there. There he is. I just saw him. It's hard to keep track. There he goes. Darn. what this does is comes back out of here. Back out of here. That's that bridge we went over. And then it goes out into the ocean. Whoops. It goes out into the ocean down there. That's pretty cool seeing a dolphin up in here. I know I've seen them around here. We used to do all kinds of fishing and oysters. We'd go for oysters in the Indian River over there. I think that was him right there, I'm pretty sure. It's kind of hard to spot him with the... There he goes. I don't know if you saw him though. It's kind of hard to spot him. If it was smooth out here... Oh wow. I hope you saw that. Because he was way up out of there that time. And I don't know where he goes when he goes under. Yeah, we used to do a lot of different things. Scuba, there he goes. Oh wow. I hope you saw that. It's hard to see with the reflection on here. I can't hardly see what it, you know. Okay, because I headed back towards the ocean. Yeah, he's headed back out that way unless he turns back around. I noticed him turning around a few times, but that's a dolphin in the Indian River over here. Seagull up there. I don't know how far we can go down here. The VAB's right there. That's where my dad and sister used to turn and go out there to go to work. Right here, Canaveral National Seashore, straight ahead. So we'll see, more later. Canaveral National Seashore. Open 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Entrance station closes at 7. Entry gate closes at 7:30. All gates locked and all visitors must exit by 8 p.m. Okay. Alrighty. Pedestrians 10. If you want to walk in, 20 per vehicle. Wow. Well, where are you supposed to park if you want to walk in? I'm not sure if we're going to do this. You know, $20. We'll see. We'll see. You all right, Barry? You all right, Milo? Well, we're over here. We decided to come on over to the beach part. The launch is about 2 hours from now. And it's supposed to be right up over that hill there. So, I was right here. Doing all right, boy? Okay. I had an umbrella I was going to bring and I forgot it. Too bad they don't have a parking access that's closer, you know. The guy said it's about a 4 or 5 mile walk down here. All right, more later when we get closer. Well, we're over here. I just watered them. Just get some water. And I brought us our backpack. Different things. Half jug of water. And some snacks. We got about an hour till the launch. Something like that. So we're going to get closer. They ran us out. They said that they didn't want us so close down there, so they set cones up down there and made it turn around and come back. So anyway, that's kind of what's happening. It's alright. You can see it pretty good from here, I hope. Everybody's piling up on the beach down there, getting ready to watch the stuff. Milo? See the little guy, Milo? Yeah. Oh, boy. We walked probably about, I can barely see it down there, probably about maybe 3 or 4 miles down there, and then they turned us around. I was with some other people too, and some people were already down there ahead of us, and they got turned around too, and they got told to leave. But anyway, an episode of that. Plenty of water. We're over here to the beach. It's a nice cool breeze. Hopefully it's not too noisy. There's a lot of people out today, so all right. Well, we're over here waiting. We got about 30 minutes to go. Yeah, we got about 30 minutes, and we were down on the beach side, but you know, you couldn't see it down there very good. And then where we hiked down to, we went over this pier right here, this walk crossover right here. You can see where the people are up on there waiting. We went over there down to the beach, and then we walked that way back behind us a long ways, a long ways. So anyway, we're sitting right here waiting. You ready, Milo? Ready to see it? And we're just sitting here waiting, so just thought I'd grab a little bit and let you know what's happening. You alright down there, boy? It is hot today, but it could have been a lot worse today. A lot worse. So we got people up there waiting all over. And we got some people over here. Some people over in this truck right here. They got a good setup over there. And up on there. So, and here, this is like about the third or fourth time this guy's rode by. I'm not sure what he's staring at here. So. Anyway, it's supposed to be going off right between those two towers right there. And, you know, it's not like the shuttle years ago where you could really see it. But I talked to somebody and they said that you could see it pretty good and feel the rumble of the ground and everything, just like the space shuttle years ago when it used to go off over here. But more later. Okay, bye. Well, we only got 1 minute and a half if my countdown clock is right. So we'll have to see if it's right or not. Let's see, I got 1 minute 11 seconds. All right, 57, 6, 55, 54, 53. You looking, Milo? Okay, baby. He's sitting in the car looking out the window. All right, we got 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Boy, it's hard to see this thing with the... All right, 15, 15, 14, 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That my clock stopped, and I hear them, the people behind me saying liftoff. Sorry, guys. Wow, listen how loud that is. That is so cool. It's gone. It's gone out of sight. Behind them clouds up there. Went right into them clouds. Wow. Went right into those clouds. Wow. Couldn't only see it a few minutes. What is it, Milo? Well, that was it, guys. It wasn't very long, and I lost it. It went so fast, I lost it. Right up into those clouds, so it is a cloudy day here in Florida. At least it didn't rain. So that's what they call, right there, I think it is, the trail of the rocket up through there. It's hard to see. Even me, hard to see in the screen. It's so bright, I can't see nothing. I lost the rocket there for a little bit, but then I found it again. And then it went straight into them clouds. I was like, see that trail up through there and stuff though? Right up there, and then it went right into those clouds. Right out of sight. Huh. Yeah, that was quite something.